Hi friends, and happy Friday! Can you believe we've almost made it through our first full week of online learning? I hope it's going well, and I really miss you. Today we are going to learn how to use Google Classroom to do our first real homework assignment on Google Classroom. So far you've been doing most of your work in your journals, but today you're going to use our Google Classroom to work on making CVC words. Remember, CVC words are words that we can sound out, and you can use your arm to help you. Remember, you hold out one arm and then touch your shoulder, elbow, and wrist as you sound out a 3-letter word. In order to get there, you're going to start by being in Google Classroom like you probably already are. Then you're going to click on Classwork, and it's right here under Assignments. If you haven't clicked on the Classwork tab before, you're going to notice that our Google Classroom is actually broken down into different sections. I keep the important websites at the top. Here you'll see assignments, and it says Day 5, Friday, April 10th, 2020, homework. That's today. Then it even has our daily lessons at the bottom. Days 1, 2, 3, and 4 are uploaded so far that I've done. But again, back to assignments. That's another word for homework. Day 5, that's today. You're going to click on your copy of the CVC word builder, and the directions say move the letters to build the CVC words. So we open it up, and then it looks just like the slideshows we've had for class so far. You can scroll through them, and then all you need to do is drag the letters into the boxes to build the words. This looks like jam. That's another word for jelly. It's what we put on bread. When you sound out jam, what's the first sound you hear? J, j. So you can move it to the box. J, a, jam. Here we have a hat. Remember H like helicopter. You can move your arm in the air if you want. Ha, ha, ha. A, t, 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 t. Ha, at, hat. Then you scroll down to the next page. Click over here. We have map, cat, bat, fan, sad, rat, net, red, wet, hen, 10, web, pen, bed, pig, kid, lid, win. See, they win a medal. Pin, wig, fin, 6, dog, hop, top, log, pot, fox, cop, box, bus, mug, tub, sun, sub, cup, bug, cub, and that's it. I tried to go through all the words because some of them are tricky even for Miss Eagle to figure out. If you need help figuring out what the picture is supposed to be, either listen to this video again or try asking a grown-up for help. I hope you have fun with our first assignment. I tried to find a fun one. Let me know if you need any help.